Hi, and welcome to Honeyfly Studios tutorial for flying bound angle, or like Baddha you would do on the floor. So always check with a professional rigger before you rig any aerial hammock, and I'll put some one of the riggers that I use that's in Ventura and who helped train me in the comments below. So you're gonna step your right foot into the hammock, and you're going to bring the soles of the feet together, but you want to remember to have the knees, see how her knees are coming forward? She's going to flop right out of the hammock. So you want to have your knees behind the fabric, soles of the feet together, knees out to the side. And if you're going to do this, make sure you have a spotter. It's just someone to help you get through it the first few times. One arm at a time comes through the fabric, and you're going to bring your toes facing back. And then getting in front of your partner, you're going to help assist with the shoulders and lower slowly down. Wiggle the hips a little bit to get over the pelvis. And now you are in your flying bound angle. You can bring the palms onto the knees. It's wonderful traction for the back. And you can even do a little shoulder adjustment. Feels really good. One of the things you want to remember when you come up is sometimes we have a tendency to grab with the thumbs facing away from each other, so that's going to make it really hard. So when you grab, make sure you grab with the thumbs facing each other, and then you can help your partner up at first few times. Walk the hands up just a little bit, and then you want to chicken wing the arms. The arms are out to the side. And that's going to help you from avoiding falling backwards. One arm at a time up. Give yourself a little pull, and then step out of the fabric. Great job.